So we're going to see some basic drawings that will be useful in our civil engineering point of view. So we will draw some diagrams, drawings in the AutoCAD. So like we can see the mechanical gear systems, everything. So for that we have to take circle, draw the circle, and now we have to attach a rectangle to it. So rectangle like this. So now we have to go to array. So click on AR, it is a shortcut for the array. So we need polar array. So we have to select the object, whole object. So if you press enter, again the command will be repeated. So then press the enter, click on polar array. So I need a number of steps is 15. Click on OK. So but see, it has created on this. So we need to select, firstly we have to select our object, click on enter. Now select the center point. We have to select the center point for our circle and click on OK. So see, the number of steps has came. See, we have done this by using array. So now we will use the trim command to trim all these lines. So for that, press the TR, enter and enter. So now select the part that we don't require. So we can select all these. So we can select and delete. So we have to be careful while deleting the objects. So you may delete the original object. So see, we have deleted it. So now we will add some offsets. So first of all, in basic drawing, it will take the mm only. So you can check it by clicking U and enter. So it has in millimeters. So I'm going to add offset. So for that, the shortcut is O, enter. So I'm going to take as 10 mm. So I will select the object and I will drag it. So to select all the objects, you can give the offset of this, offset for everyone. So individual object we can give offset. So we can change the offset value if you don't want also. Like I'm taking the same offset values for every portion of the gear wheel. So mainly AutoCAD can be used for like the civil drawings and the mechanical and electrical also. So we have drawn this, and we can draw inscribed circle, and we can draw under here also we can draw some rectangles like some bearings. So go to rectangle, the shortcut command for the rectangle is REC. So I'm selecting this and selecting this point. for a gear wheel. So it doesn't look like a wheel, so it would be better. So I will draw some circles to the center point and again enter. So go here, so it will show a center point. So see here we can see our gear. We'll take a line. So for the line command, hit the L enter. So F8 for ortho for the 90 degrees of length. So if you want to add, show all the points below, so click on this snap settings. So click on select all and OK. So it will show all the intermediate points and everything. So now I will use the fillet for this part and this part. So it has created. So again this one and this one. And we have different types of tools. And this is the so it will convert like this. So I will draw a rectangle here. So I will select the region. So it says select the object. So we have done wrong. So it has select the object, enter, and select this. So it has created, one loop has been created. So you can trim it. So now we will add some holes here for the rivet. So I'm taking the center line, taking the 38 and so again we're going to take this and taking some gusset plate for the bolts, or else we can also draw bolt for here also. So every drawing we can make in AutoCAD. So that will be some easy. So I will give some offsets. So go enter. So the distance of 20 mm. Select this object and select it. So it is there. This part. So these are some basic and our civil engineer drawings. We can create the pegs. So we have the pegs now. So for the surveying part, so click on F8. So I'm taking this length and this one. So this is the peg which is used for the surveying, chain surveying one. So for that the drawing can be used. So after that we will see some basic civil engineering drawings, that is plan. We can also draw a door in here also. So for that we will take the polyline, so taking it as one member only. So I'm taking some dimensions. So I'm taking an irregular dimensions to show you. So I'm taking an offset of 100 mm. So you can see this thing window, and here we can select the center line. can give an offset of 10 mm. So select this, we can give this. So here we can see it as window, and here also we can also draw a door also with how we know gestures. So the door design will be different. So the main doors and every doors can be designed here. So after that we can give the offsets. Yes. Okay, 10 mm for the borders, and then so by using line we can draw, but it is waste of time. So but we can draw these lines by taking offset, so that will be very easier for us. So I'm taking 100 mm. So I'm taking this, so I'm taking all sides 100 mm. So from the inside line to inside. So then I will draw some 200 mm. So these bars. So now we will trim the unnecessary parts, so we won't be able to, we won't be confused. So after that I need to add the horizontal, so click on offset. I'm going to take 300. So from this I'm going to take this. That's going to go down. So this part. So we can add this. So after that again I'm going to take offset as 10 mm. So we will take offset of 20 mm. In part, take the trim, double enter. So look at these parts. So we can do this ones. So if we delete this all unnecessary part, so we can see our code frame. So all these parts. So this is how we can design a door. We select from this side. We can delete these parts. From the right side, we can delete these unnecessary parts which we have here. So we can delete all unnecessary parts. So this is, friends, how we can also add the hatchings. We can add. So I'm going to add the gradient colors. So I'm going to take the colors, next color, add the silver color to this. Which will be like this. We can object, so pick this ones. Can enter and OK. So see here we can see our door, and again I'm going to select under one color, it is for the wood. So this whole part, enter. See here, you can see this is how we can do drawings, basic drawings in AutoCAD. Thank you.